All right, what are the measures of FBG and ABC? Angle FBG and angle ABC. Let's trace them out. Let's take our line tool here and say F to B down here and B to G down there, up there I should say. And what do they measure? Well, what we're looking for here is, excuse me, what two numbers do they cross? Either both on the top or both on the bottom, and then we'll subtract them and take their absolute value. I see this one crossing at 90 here, and here at 125. It's halfway between 120 and 130. Check both sides of the number. Sometimes they're counting up, sometimes they're counting down. So you got to verify you're right in the middle of both of the numbers that are on either side of it. Okay, so it's 125 minus 90. We always take the absolute value, even though this I can see is going to work out to be positive. Okay, and we get 35 degrees for that one. I'm going to label it up top here as 35 degrees. Okay, and 35-degree angles are acute. So next we say they're asking us about angle ABC. So we start here at A, run through B to C. And as you can see, that appears to be a straight angle measuring 180 degrees, right? Because what you get is you have it starting at 0 on the outside track, going all the way over to 180 on the outside track. And 180 minus 0 is 180. Okay? So, and I can write that down for you if that's helpful. Absolute value of 180 minus 0, or the absolute value of 180, which is just 180. Okay? 180. And then so our answers are FBG is 35, it's acute, and ABC is 180, and that is straight, and that then is answer A. Done.